Trouble tracing the engine through the dashboard gauges. Hello, this is Charumati. Today, let's learn how to use the dashboard gauges to trouble trace the engine and to diagnose any engine performance problems. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the engine for starting, observe the dashboard meters and warning lights, diagnose the engine performance using the dashboard gauge readings.
Tools required. Trainees Toolkit 1 number. Lead acid battery 12 volts with cables 1 number. Equipment required. A vehicle in running condition. Materials required. Tray. Cotton cloth. Kerosene. Diesel. Soap oil. Engine oil. Coolant. First, let us take a look at what trouble tracing the engine is, what are the dashboard gauges, and what they indicate. Trouble tracing in a diesel engine involves the process of identifying and diagnosing issues or malfunctions within the engine system using various indicators, including the dashboard gauges. The dashboard of a vehicle equipped with a diesel engine typically contains a set of gauges and warning lights that provide crucial information about the engine's performance and overall health. Now let us understand what each of the dashboard gauges indicates before moving on to the experiment. Battery charging indicator. The battery charging indicator works by monitoring the electrical charging process and providing visual or audible cues to convey information about the status of the battery. Tachometer measures the engine's RPM, revolutions per minute, indicating its speed. Coolant temperature gauge indicates the temperature of the engine coolant. Oil pressure gauge indicates the pressure of the engine oil. Fuel gauge displays the amount of fuel in the tank. Check engine light indicates any internal problem in the engine electronics or emission control system problems. Heater plug or glow plug indicator is specific to diesel engines. Glow plugs are used to preheat the combustion chambers, especially in cold conditions, to aid in starting the engine. Fuel filter indicator. The fuel filter for diesel engines plays an important role in separating water from fuel and accumulating the water in its bottom. Warning lights. Dashboard warning lights may illuminate to indicate specific issues. Example, check engine light, low oil pressure light. In addition to gauges, modern vehicles often have onboard diagnostic systems. Mechanics use onboard diagnostic scanners to retrieve error codes that provide more detailed information about the issues. Also, mechanics follow a systematic approach to troubleshoot issues, starting with the simplest and most common causes before moving to more complex components. This can involve visual inspections, checking fluid levels, examining wiring, and using diagnostic equipment. Now, let's start the experiment. Task 1. Prepare the engine for starting. Check the water level in the radiator and top up if needed. Check the engine oil level and top up if needed. Check the electrolyte in the battery and top it up with distilled water. Insert the key in the main switch and turn the key to the on position. Note down the warning lights in the dashboard. To accurately diagnose your engine's mechanical condition, pay close attention to the following points. If the battery light is red, it means the battery is discharging. If the engine oil light glows in red, that indicates the oil is low or nil. If the parking brake light is red, then the parking brake is applied. If the seat belt light glows in red, it indicates that the driver is not wearing the seat belt. If the check engine light flashes on and off intermittently or glows red, it's a sign you should get your car to a mechanic as soon as possible. If it is a solid yellow or orange light, it may indicate lower severity. However, the problem should be diagnosed and fixed immediately. Heater plug indicator illuminates when the glow plugs are active. As you switch on the ignition, the dashboard indicators along with the glow plug indicator will turn on. Wait till the heater plug indicator is turned off. it will turn off within 30 to 40 seconds. Then start the engine, and after starting confirm all the other indicators are turned off. Release the parking brake and wear the seatbelt properly. Now observe that the light does not glow in red. Shift the gear to the neutral position. Observe the fuel gauge reading. Observe it showing empty to full. Observe the temperature gauge reading. It should indicate minimum temperatures. Task 2. Start the engine. Note, while starting, do not press the accelerator pedal. Press the starter push button or turn the ignition key further to start the engine. Release the starter button or ignition key as soon as the engine has started. Note, while the engine is in running condition, do not operate the starter button or key. If the engine does not start immediately, do not keep starter button pressed or key turned beyond 2 to 3 seconds. This leads to the battery getting discharged and overheating. Check the idling speed RPM in the RPM meter. Press the accelerator pedal to increase engine RPM steadily and allow the engine to warm up. Task 3. Observe the dashboard meters and warning lights during engine run. Observe the battery warning light. If it is not glowing, it means the battery is charging. Observe the engine oil warning light. If it is not glowing, it means the oil lubrication system has issues. Observe the oil pressure gauge. Observe the water temperature in the temperature gauge. Observe the reading of the tachometer. Observe the odometer reading during vehicle moving or running conditions. Observe the trip meter reading. Observe the check engine or malfunction indicator light, MIL. Observe the heater plug indicator. Observe the fuel filter indicator. If the water accumulates in the fuel filter, the warning light comes on when the ignition switch is in the on position. Make a note of the gauge readings, warning lights, and diagnostic results. To stop the engine, remove the foot from the accelerator pedal and turn the ignition key to the off position to stop the engine. Analyze the recorded readings. Identify the issues, if any, and rectify them. Task 4. Interpreting gauge readings. Each gauge has a normal operating range. Deviations from these ranges can indicate potential problems. A tachometer, often referred to as a tachometer gauge, is an instrument in a car that measures the rotation speed of the engine's crankshaft, usually in revolutions per minute, RPM. Coolant temperature gauge. Overheating suggests problems with the cooling system, thermostat, or water pump. Oil pressure gauge. Low oil pressure could signify oil leaks, a failing oil pump, or low oil levels. Fuel gauge. Unexpected drops in fuel levels might indicate a fuel system problem or leaks. Check engine indicator. The illumination of this light indicates an issue in the engine's emission control system or with the engine electronics. If the glow plug light stays on for longer than 10 to 15 seconds, or if the glow plug symbol refuses to turn off or starts blinking, it indicates a loss of power. The glow plug is losing its power efficiency, and it will need to be changed soon. Regular maintenance is crucial for avoiding any potential issues. Regularly checking and servicing the engine can prevent major failures. Overall, trouble tracing through dashboard gauges in a diesel engine is a skill that requires a good understanding of the engine system, diagnostic tools, and the ability to interpret gauge readings to identify and resolve issues efficiently.
Recap. We have come to the end of the exercise. Let us have a recap of what we have learned in this module. We have learned about preparing the engine for starting, observe the dashboard meters and warning lights, diagnose the engine performance using the dashboard gauge readings. Thus, we have learned to trouble trace the engine through the dashboard gauges. Hope you have a clear understanding of this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.